Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the service. Today, we're looking at https://secure.ybonline.co.uk. This URL directs you to the Yorkshire Building Society's online banking portal. Accessing your financial information online offers convenience, but it's crucial to ensure you're using the correct website. Double-check the URL carefully before entering any login details. Be wary of phishing scams that might try to mimic legitimate sites. Look for the padlock icon in the address bar, indicating a secure connection. This symbol confirms that the website uses encryption to protect your data. However, even with a secure connection, it's important to remain vigilant. Never share your login credentials with anyone, and report any suspicious activity to your bank immediately. Yorkshire Building Society provides a range of online services, from checking your balance and transactions to making payments and managing your savings. Their website offers a user-friendly interface designed to make online banking straightforward and accessible. For further information and resources about online security and how to protect yourself from fraud, you can visit the Yorkshire Building Society Security Centre on their website. They provide valuable advice and tips on staying safe online. Remember, managing your finances online is a powerful tool, but it's essential to prioritize security. Taking a few simple precautions can significantly reduce your risk of becoming a victim of cybercrime. Always be cautious when clicking on links in emails or text messages, and if something seems too good to be true, it probably is. Before logging in, examine the webpage for any inconsistencies or unusual features. Trust your instincts. If anything feels off, it's better to err on the side of caution and contact your bank directly.